Mic test, please, guys. All good. How is everybody? Ready for another day in the office? We'll just do a quick recap of yesterday's or last night's positions, guys. Then we'll move on. So we took a trade on the US CAD. This setup here, evening star or a morning star or a confirmed hanging man. It got to T1. So we banked 50% of our position, okay, which equals plus 0.5 of a unit, or 0.5 times our risk was banked, and then the market came back and stopped us out at break even. So the remainder of the position was cashed in at break even for no loss. So that netted 0.5. Okay, we had an NZ yen that looked good when we took the trade here. The inverse of what we traded on the US CAD. So again, a hanging man or a evening star, if you will. It nearly made it to T1, but not quite. Retraced and then came back. And this morning around US close, it was just in profit by a couple of pips. And our standard rule of thumb with these 1 hour charts is if you haven't gone anywhere substantial overnight, just close it out. So I closed it for a couple of pips, but I called it break even. I think it was about +5, something like that. I just called it break even on the results page. So that was 0. You probably could, if you're still in this trade, I'm not sure if you would be actually. Yeah, you would still be in this trade. It seems to be making inverted head and shoulders, but the overall direction, the longer time frames on the yen pairs are south. And then we also took a Euro 5-minute trade that again was going away for a little bit, entry here, and it turned around and that one stopped us out. So that was a -1 unit trade. So net for the night was -0.5 units. So a small loss, easily made up with a win. Actually, incidentally, this was our first, we were watching these 5-minute setups for a number of weeks, and this was number 16 since I started watching them. And this is the first one to stop out of 16 setups that we watched, which is pretty good. You would expect that to happen long ago, but it had to happen sooner or later. So that's all right. So that was 3 trades for the night. That's about as much as we like to do. Don't really like to go too many more than that. That's a handful.